Hello there. I'm Dr. Jessica, and today we're diving into one of the most important parts of a healthy diet fiber. Have you ever wondered why health experts keep talking about it? Well, let me tell you, fiber isn't just a buzzword. It's a true hero for your digestive system and overall health. It helps keep things moving, stabilizes blood sugar, and even supports heart health. Plus, it can help you feel fuller longer, making it great for weight management. But here's the thing. Most people aren't getting enough fiber in their diets. That's why Chef Mike and I are here today. We're going to walk you through the best high-fiber foods to include in your meals, how to prepare them, and a few fun facts along the way. So grab a notebook, or just sit back and relax, and let's get started. First up, let's talk about soluble fiber. What makes it special? Well, soluble fiber dissolves in water to form a gel-like substance. This gel helps slow down digestion, which means it's great for keeping blood sugar levels steady and reducing cholesterol. Foods rich in soluble fiber include oats, beans, lentils, apples, and citrus fruits. Fun fact, if you've ever had overnight oats, you've seen this gel in action. It's that creamy texture that forms when the oats soak up the liquid. Soluble fiber also feeds the healthy bacteria in your gut, keeping your microbiome happy and balanced. So next time you're grocery shopping, think about adding some of these foods to your cart. And if you're not sure how to incorporate them into meals, don't worry, Chef Mike has some delicious ideas coming up next.
Hey there! I'm Chef Mike, and I'm here to show you just how versatile high-fiber foods can be. Let's start with oats, one of my absolute favorites. Oatmeal isn't just for breakfast, it's a blank canvas for flavor. Here, I've got a pot of oats cooking on the stove. You can make them sweet or savory depending on your mood. For a sweet version, I love adding fresh berries, a sprinkle of nuts, and just a drizzle of honey. Looking for something savory? Stir in a little grated cheese and top with a poached egg. Trust me, it's a game changer. Oats are packed with soluble fiber, which helps keep you full and supports heart health. And the best part? They're affordable and super easy to prepare. So, what are you waiting for? Give it a try and make it your own.
Next, let's talk about vegetables that are high in insoluble fiber. Insoluble fiber is like a broom for your digestive system. It doesn't dissolve in water, but it adds bulk to your stool, helping things move along smoothly. Some of the best sources include leafy greens like spinach and kale, cruciferous veggies like broccoli and cauliflower, and crunchy favorites like carrots and bell peppers. These foods are not only fiber-rich, but also loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They're perfect for supporting a healthy gut and reducing the risk of certain diseases. And don't worry if you're not a big fan of raw veggies. You can steam, roast, or even stir-fry them to make them more enjoyable. Plus, they pair beautifully with so many dishes. Let's head back to Chef Mike's kitchen to see how he likes to prepare them.
Welcome back. Let me show you one of my favorite ways to enjoy fiber-rich veggies. A quick and easy stir-fry. Here in the wok, I've got a colorful mix of broccoli, bell peppers, and carrots, sizzling away with just a splash of low-sodium soy sauce. It's bright, crunchy, and packed with flavor. Stir-frying is a fantastic way to retain the nutrients in your veggies while making them delicious. You can even throw in some tofu or shrimp for a protein boost. And here's a tip. Add a sprinkle of sesame seeds or a drizzle of sesame oil at the end for an extra layer of flavor. It's quick, healthy, and perfect for busy weeknights. Plus, the fiber in these veggies will keep you full and energized. So give it a try. I promise it's a winner.
Now, let's talk about fruits, nature's sweet way of delivering fiber and so much more. Fruits are fantastic sources of both soluble and insoluble fiber, depending on the type. For example, apples and pears, especially with the skin, are loaded with insoluble fiber, while oranges and berries are rich in soluble fiber. Did you know that just one medium pear provides about 6 grams of fiber? That's almost a quarter of the daily recommended amount for women. Plus, fruits bring vitamins, antioxidants, and hydration to the table, making them a powerhouse for overall health. They're also incredibly versatile, great as snacks, added to salads, or blended into smoothies. But here's the thing. Try to enjoy whole fruits rather than just juices. Juices often lack the fiber you need. So next time you're reaching for a snack, grab a crunchy apple or a handful of juicy berries, and your gut will thank you for it.
Hey, again! Fruits aren't just healthy. They're also perfect for creating delicious, eye-catching dishes. One of my go-to high-fiber snacks is a simple fruit parfait. Here's what I do. I start with a layer of unsweetened yogurt for some added protein and calcium. Then, I add a handful of mixed berries like strawberries and blueberries for their soluble fiber and antioxidants. Next, I sprinkle on some crunchy granola, which gives a nice boost of fiber and texture. I repeat the layers until the glass is full, topping it off with a slice of kiwi for that final touch. It's refreshing, satisfying, and takes less than 5 minutes to make. Plus, it's a great way to use up fruits you might already have at home. Perfect for breakfast, dessert, or an anytime snack. So, what's your favorite way to enjoy fruit? Give this one a try. It's as fun to make as it is to eat. Tirfit.
Now, let's not forget about legumes. These little gems are some of the most fiber-packed foods out there. Lentils, chickpeas, black beans, split peas, and kidney beans are all excellent sources of both soluble and insoluble fiber. For example, just 1 cup of cooked lentils has a whopping 15 grams of fiber. That's more than half of what most people need in a day. Legumes are also rich in plant-based protein, making them perfect for vegetarians or anyone looking to eat less meat. They're versatile, too. You can toss them into salads, blend them into soups, or even turn them into spreads like hummus. And here's a fun fact. Soaking dried legumes before cooking can help reduce bloating and improve digestion. So don't let these fiber superstars intimidate you. They're easy to prepare and incredibly nourishing. Ready to see how Chef Mike uses them in a recipe? Let's check it out.
Let me introduce you to one of my all-time favorite comfort foods, hearty lentil soup. It's packed with fiber, protein, and flavor, and it's super easy to make. Here's how I do it. I start by sautéing onions, carrots, and celery for a flavorful base. Then I add in garlic, dried lentils, and a few herbs like thyme and bay leaves. After that, I pour in some vegetable broth and let it simmer until the lentils are tender. The result? A rich, satisfying soup that's perfect for any time of year. I love serving it with a slice of crusty, whole-grain bread for an extra fiber boost. This dish is not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. It's a simple way to get more fiber into your diet. And trust me, your taste buds will thank you.
Last but not least, let's talk about nuts and seeds. These tiny powerhouses pack a big punch when it comes to fiber and overall nutrition. For example, just a 1/4 cup of almonds contains about 4 grams of fiber, and chia seeds are fiber champions with a whopping 10 grams per ounce. Flax seeds are another fantastic option. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids and can be easily added to smoothies, oatmeal, or baked goods. Nuts and seeds are not only high in fiber, but also full of healthy fats, protein, and important minerals like magnesium. Plus, they're incredibly convenient, perfect for snacking on the go or sprinkling over dishes for an extra crunch. Just keep an eye on portion sizes since they're calorie-dense. Whether you're blending them into a smoothie or enjoying a handful as a snack, these little wonders are a delicious way to boost your fiber intake.
For our grand finale, I'm sharing a simple, no-cook recipe that's as delicious as it is nutritious. Chia pudding. Here's how it works. I take a few tablespoons of chia seeds and mix them with milk, any kind you like, from almond to oat to regular cow's milk. Then, I let it sit in the fridge for a few hours, or overnight, until it thickens into a creamy pudding. From there, it's all about the toppings. I love adding fresh raspberries, a sprinkle of nuts, and just a drizzle of honey for sweetness. This pudding is packed with fiber, omega-3s, and a whole lot of flavor. It's perfect for breakfast, dessert, or a quick snack. The best part? You can customize it however you like. Try cocoa powder for a chocolate twist, or layer it with fruit for a parfait-style treat. Easy, healthy, and oh so tasty.
So there you have it, a complete guide to incorporating high-fiber foods into your diet. We've covered fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, and seeds, each offering unique benefits for your health. Remember, fiber is your friend, supporting digestion, heart health, and so much more. The key is to enjoy a variety of these foods every day and pair them with plenty of water to keep things running smoothly. And don't forget, small changes can lead to big results over time. Start by adding just 1 or 2 high-fiber foods to your meals and build from there. Your body will thank you and you'll feel the difference. Thanks for joining us today, and stay tuned for more tips and recipes. Until next time, take care and happy eating.